In this video, we will discuss the iView HMI internal memory types and their usage. The HMI has volatile and non-volatile memory for data logging recipes and alarm history. Command and status memory is used for monitoring and controlling the HMI. In addition to reading from and writing to external devices, the IMO iView HMI utilizes internal memory for system monitoring, user memory, battery-backed non-volatile memory, recipe memory, device memory indexing, and command and status blocks. Each panel application program in the project has access to the individual HMI's internal memory by double-clicking. This opens the internal memory setup window. The U or user memory is set in the regular user memory section. All internal memory is preceded by the dollar symbol. The maximum memory size and default allocation is shown. The non-volatile memory is set in the same way. The system memory is fixed and cannot be changed. System memory stores the HMI's internal information. System memory contains data like time and date, communication link status, recipe information, and the status of built-in and external storage like USB drives and micro SD cards. Do not attempt to write to system memory as it is for monitoring only. To find information on the system memory, open the Help section in the software. Do a search for system memory. Click List Topics and highlight the topic. Click Display for information on the system memory addresses. The example shown is the HMI keypad buffer data. The user memory for user operation is accessible in Word or bit data. It can be used for temporary storage during scripting and calculations. Battery-backed user memory is also accessible in Word or bit format and used in operations as the user memory in addition to non-volatile storage like alarms and data logging. Recipe memory is used for recipe setup and storage of recipe variables. Recipe setup is accessed from the recipe selection in the project manager. Right-click and add recipe by clicking the Add Recipe block. This opens the recipe setup window for that recipe block. The recipe memory locations are preset and cannot be modified. Recipe memory is allocated for each recipe block in the application. Indexing memory, also known as indirect addressing, acts as a pointer for external device memory. Indexing memory is available for 16 and 32-bit words. Command and status memory is used for controlling and monitoring functions in the HMI and externally connected devices. Double-click Command and Status from the Project Manager to open the configuration window. The command blocks are shown as well as the status words. Consult the Help section for the use of the command and status memory. This concludes the definitions and use of the iView HMI internal memory. For application notes and videos on the IMO iView HMIs, visit our knowledge base.